Class 8 Springfielders. In the previous session, we have completed Lesson 5 Forest, Protecting Them. Today we are going to start with the new lesson, the Indian Constitution. In this, we are going to cover the content. Today, what is a constitution? Making of Indian Constitution, the Constituent Assembly. What is a constitution? Constitution is the basic principle and laws of a nation, state or social group that determine the powers and duties of the government and guarantees certain rights to the people in it. Constitution can be in a written or unwritten form. Indian Constitution is in a written form. Therefore, it is a book called the Constitution of India. It guides the government. It shows how a government should be established and how decisions should be taken. Making of the Indian Constitution. The country had been controlled by British for about 200 years and its institutions had been designed to suit their needs. A large part of the country was ruled by princely states like the Nizams of Hyderabad. Apart from social and cultural diversity, there are huge differences between rich and poor, upper and lower caste, men and women. Literacy level and education were very low. There was acute poverty and lakhs of people had died of famine and epidemics. Making of Indian Constitution. The country was dependent upon foreign nation even for its basic needs like food, grains. The leaders were concerned about keeping the country and not allowing it to break up any further. There was sharp difference of opinion among the leaders of the national movement about how we could make a better society after independence. Most leaders agreed that independent India would be governed according to the principles of democracy, in which 1. Everyone would be equal before law and will have certain fundamental rights guaranteed to them. 2. The government would be built by general elections based on the principles of universal adult franchise or right of every adult citizen, irrespective of gender, caste, religion, education, or wealth, to vote in elections. Source of inspiration and ideas for framing our constitution. 1. They were inspired by the struggle waged by the diverse kinds of Indian people and their aspiration for a better world to live in. They were also deeply influenced by the thought of Mahatma Gandhi and other national leaders. 2. Many of our leaders were inspired by the ideas of French Revolution, the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain and the Bill of Rights in the USA. The socialistic revolution in Russia and China had inspired many Indians to think of shaping a system based on social and economic equality. 3. The British too had introduced some basic institutions of democratic rule in India. However, only certain categories of people could vote in the elections. The Constituent Assembly. The constitution was drafted by an assembly of elected representatives called the Constituent Assembly. Elections to the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946. Its first meeting was held in December 1946 with the partition of the country in August 1947. The Indian Constituent Assembly had 299 members. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected mainly by the members of the existing provincial legislatures formed during British rule. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of Constituent Assembly and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. The rough work of the constitution is called draft constitution. This was framed by the drafting committee. The constitution to be prepared, it took approximately 3 years. The assembly adopted the constitution on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect from 26 January 1950. To mark this day, we celebrate January 26 as Republic Day every year. Meet you in the next session with the continuation of the lesson. Until then, thank you. Have a nice day. I, Mrs. Suel Sultana, your social studies teacher.